My name is James. Today we're going to be looking at the Acer Chromebase for meetings, the latest all-in-one video conferencing for those smaller spaces, fully ready to go with Hangouts Meet. Inside the box we have the display itself, power cable, and the stand. Simply screw it together, connect it to power, and we're ready to go. Once we power on the device, it'll prompt us to sign in. Sign into a domain with a Hangouts Meet license from a super admin user. This will find the free license on the domain and link it to the device. The software will check that the hardware is ready for video conferencing. It'll verify the microphones, camera, and speakers. Once all the hardware is checked and ready to go, it'll prompt us to assign a calendar to the device. We can do this by accessing the Google Admin Console, which is found at admin.google.com. To access the admin console, we'll need to be a super admin or a delegated admin user on the domain. Click into Buildings and Resources and open Resource Management. Select the desired building from the menu and create the meeting room where the Chromebase will be. The final step is to link it to the Chromebase. Head back to the main page of the admin console, click on Devices, and then Meeting Room Hardware. Here we'll find our newly enrolled Chromebase. Now assign a name in the calendar. Click on the device and bring up more information and head to Calendar Assignment. Select Room Calendar and search for the meeting room we just created. That's all. We're done and we're ready to go. Just to make sure, let's schedule a call on the device in our calendar. We can search for the room which we called Brooklyn Studio, and there it is. We have a scheduled call and we can jump right in. Now we can take a look around the interface. Simply tap to join the meeting, and once we're in, we can see all of our participants. We'll find the meeting details and joining information, turn on closed captioning, and we even have the option to record the meeting, provided we're using an Enterprise G Suite license. There you go. A first look at unboxing and a guided exploration of the new Acer Chromebase for meetings. Enjoy!